Let's learn this simple festive look. My foundation is already done. मैंने ये palette लिया है, इसमें जो brown shade है, I'm applying all over my lid. This is the first pencil that I'm using. Inner to outer corner ही लगाना है. Now this is the dark blue. Using this मैं बहुत छोटा सा wing बनाऊंगी. Now I'm going to blend the light blue and the dark blue and drag. I'm really liking this mascara. फिर brows को fill करना है. Now using this matte lip color, I'm going to do my blush. Now adding little contour to my face, my cheeks, my forehead, my nose. Adding a powder blush. Now the highlighter. Now look at that glow. Let's do the lips with this liquid lip color. This is a nice cool tone pink. I like the formula. Here is a trick. Adding a highlighter would instantly change your lip color. ये बैंगल्स मैंने राजस्थान से लिए थे. This is so beautiful. ये झुमका भी मैंने राजस्थान से लिया था और ये दुपट्टा भी. And we are done. अगर आप ये लोग ट्राई कर रहे हो तो टैग जरूर करना. Would love to see what you come up with. Take care and I'll see you soon.